In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on laptop. We'll walk through the download and installation from start to finish, keeping everything simple and secure so you're up and running in just a few minutes. Begin by clicking the search bar on your Windows desktop. You'll usually find it at the bottom left next to the Start button. If you don't see it, press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing. Windows will automatically open search for you. This helps us quickly find the official download page without digging through menus. Type Google Chrome into the search bar. If you see Google Chrome appear as a suggestion, select it to search the web. Otherwise, press Enter. We're looking for the official Google page so we know the installer is legitimate and safe. In the search results, click the link that says Google Chrome, the fast and secure browser. Make sure the website address belongs to Google, typically ending in google.com. This small check is important to avoid third-party sites that might bundle unwanted software with the installer. On the Chrome page, click Download Chrome. If you're asked to choose a version, the standard Windows 64-bit option is usually correct for most modern laptops. Your browser may ask whether to save or run the file. Either choice works. If you choose Save, we'll open it from your Downloads folder next. The file will begin downloading and is typically named chromesetup.exe. Now open File Explorer and then open the Downloads folder. The quickest way is to press Windows key plus E to launch File Explorer and choose Downloads from the left sidebar. Look for Chrome Setup or a similar file name. If you just downloaded it, it should appear near the top, sorted by date. Double-click the Chrome installer to launch it. If Windows shows a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes. The installer will connect to the internet, download the necessary components, and set up Chrome automatically. You don't need to tweak anything here, just let it complete. When it's done, Chrome will open and you'll see the welcome or sign in screen confirming the installation worked. That's it. You clicked the search bar, typed Google Chrome, selected the fast and secure browser result, clicked Download Chrome, opened File Explorer to find your downloads, and ran the Chrome installer. You're now ready to browse with Chrome. If you found this helpful, you're all set to start using your new browser right away.